Welcome to Switzerland, a country known for its stunning mountains, clear lakes, and charming cities. If you love nature, adventure, and history, Switzerland is the perfect place to visit. Let's explore the beauty of this amazing country. The Alps are one of the most famous mountains ranges in the world. These mountains are covered with snow in winter, making them perfect for skiing and snowboarding. In summer, the green valleys and fresh air attract hikers from all over the world. The Matterhorn, a famous mountain in Switzerland, is a breathtaking sight. Switzerland has many beautiful lakes. Lake Geneva, Lake Lucerne, and Lake Zurich are some of the most famous. These lakes are great for boat rides, swimming, and relaxing by the water. The reflection of the mountain in the clear water makes the view unforgettable. Swiss cities are a mix of modern life and old tradition. Zurich is the largest city, is known for its shopping streets and museum. Geneva is home to the United Nations and has a peaceful atmosphere. Lucerne is a small city with beautiful old bridges and buildings. Every city in Switzerland has something special to offer. Swiss foods are delicious. Cheese fondue is a famous dish where people dip bread into melted cheese. Switzerland is also famous for its chocolate. Swiss chocolate is creamy and rich, loved by people all over the world. Traveling in Switzerland is easy and exciting. The country has one of the best train systems in the world. The Glacier Express and Bernina Express are two famous scenic trains. They take you through the mountains, showing you the best views of Switzerland. Switzerland has a rich culture and many traditions. Detailing is a special way to singing that comes from the mountains. The elfom is a long wooden instrument that makes a deep sound. Swiss people celebrate many festivals with music, dance, and colorful customs. Switzerland is a place full of beauty, adventure, color. Whether you love nature, food, or history,